going to be making pecan pie today, and my camera battery is about to die. The cats are eating. To make this pecan pie, don't go and steal her food. Where's bed?
Oh.
We need 2 eggs. Big. Melted butter. 1/2 cup of margarine. I am using country crock today, but that's okay. 1/2 cup of margarine, which needs to be melted. It's almost completely melted. My mixer. We need to beat the eggs until they're fluffy. Now we add the melted butter, which is still not quite melted. I guess I'll melt it more. There's still a couple chunks that I'm just gonna let sit, and maybe the heat of the rest of the melted butter will melt it. And we will add brown sugar. My mom got it stuck inside this container, so that kind of sucks. The only reason this is making a mess is because my mom got this stupid brown sugar stuck in this freaking container. Not sifted. Time to add the butter. Now we add the flour, and we only need 1 tablespoon. I use high altitude Hungarian flour because I live above 5,000 feet. 1 tablespoon. I'm going to use almond milk as an alternative. And 1 teaspoon vanilla. I'm kind of confused because this looks like very little filling for a 9-inch pie. We're gonna go with it anyways. There we go. I thought it was gonna not be enough. The bowl's just really big.
Yeah, this is a standard 9-inch pie crust.
That seemed very simple. I'm not sure how it will bake in high altitude. We're baking it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees and then 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And I will not be taste testing it because we are taking it to my sister's house.